Hi guys and welcome to this video as I'm going to show you how to set up the Email Octopus app within your sub account and connect it to your Email Octopus platform, but more importantly, start executing actions already from your workflow. Let's get the ball rolling. Inside your sub account, we go to the app marketplace to search for the app. Type Email Octopus. There you go. We click on it. We go at install, allow it install. But there's a token required in order to get the installation going. Let's switch to our Email Octopus platform in order to get it. We're inside Octopus. We come here, integrations and API. Manage. You can go on add a key. Add one. Say my AP. Create. We have the token here. We copy. We can also decide to download it. Pitch back. Paste. We continue, and we get success. This means that the tool is successfully connected to your email octopus platform, and you guys are able to start executing actions directly from the workflow. So if you ever have any question, guys, feel free to reach out. We are a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. If you did enjoy this video at some point, don't forget to give thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.